From the element pane, you can access the element tree, which provides you a list of all the elements within your project. Items indicated with an orange dot allow you to see which features are symbols that are synced across all the pages. Items such as navigation bars, logos, and even footers. You can click on any of the items to collapse or expand it, or use the buttons at the bottom to collapse all, or you can expand them all to see every item that's nested with within various containers. You can click and drag to rearrange items. Click and drag. If you have selected an item, a blue bar will appear on the side so that you know that once you go over to the style pane, you'll be modifying the styles for that item. Now, if you want to move in a container with all of the items within it, it's best to collapse that particular item and then move them all at once to its new location. To search, you can type in a keyword such as link, and it will bring up all of the elements that match that particular keyword. Click on any of the elements within your tree and it will highlight on the page so you can see exactly where it's at.